वज़ीर आज़म इमरान खान ने मुतनाज़ा इलाक़े में भारतीय मुसल्लह अफ़वाज की जानिब से इंसानी हुकूक़ की ख़िलाफ़ वर्जियों को बेनकाब करने के लिए UNGA समेत हर बैनुल-अक़वामी फ़ोरम पर भारतीय गैर कानूनी मकबूज़ा जम्मू और कश्मीर के लोगों का मुकदमा पेश कर दिया।
What do you think the Jewish community would think if there were, forget 8,000 Jews stuck like this? What do you think Europeans would think? What do we think? I mean, any human community, if their members are stuck like that, what do you think they will think? Are we a children of a lesser God? Is it not going to cause us pain? That there's no justice when it comes to Muslims. There were Rohingya Muslims in Myanmar who are, God knows, almost 1 million people out, ethnic cleansing. What was the response of the world community? So what do you think will be the response of 1.3 billion Muslims? I picture myself. I'm in Kashmir. I've been locked up for 55 days. I have heard about, and there are rapes, Indian Army going into homes, soldiers. Would I want to live this humiliation? Would I want to live like that? I would pick up a gun. You are forcing people into radicalization.